Tony. You messed up my jump rope game. That's so annoying.
Oh no. I didn't mean to. I was just playing.
Whoa. Time out, friends. What's going on here?
Tony ruined my game, and now I'm super mad.
I didn't mean to make her mad. Now I feel bad.
It sounds like both of you are feeling something big, but you're not saying how you really feel. Points to his head. When something makes you mad or sad, it's super important to use your words to share your feelings.
Like what? I already said I'm mad.
That's a great start. But instead of getting mad at Tony, maybe try telling him why it made you upset.
Okay, well, I felt upset because I was having fun jumping, and when you kicked the ball, it stopped my game.
Oh, I get it now. I didn't mean to stop your fun. I'm sorry, Bella.
Thanks, Tony. I'm not mad anymore. I just wanted to keep playing.
See how much better that feels? You guys used your words, and now everyone's happy. When we talk about our feelings, we can work things out. Right, Tony?
Yeah, I felt bad when Bella was mad at me, but now that we talked it out, I feel a lot better. Hey, Bella, want to kick the ball with me?
Sure. And after, we can jump rope together.
Thanks, Ace. You helped us figure it out.
Anytime, friends. Remember, using your words is the best way to show how you feel. Now, go have fun.